Welcome. I'm Joe Ayler, President and CEO of Tar Heel Construction Group, an A+ rated BBB Accredited home improvement company in Bel Air, Maryland. Dreams are built by reputable contractors. But what if you've never hired a roofer or home improvement expert? How do you know you can trust them to deliver on their promises and your dreams? Here's the good news. You don't have to leave your living room to eliminate some common concerns. Start with a search for complaints and customer reviews. Take this case reported in January 2019 by Maryland homeowner on BBB.org, who basically writes, "The contractor was hired to replace a roof and was paid in full in advance. The company was non-responsive for weeks and then only partially completed the work." Don't be that guy. Don't wait until after you've hired a company to find out the contractor has an F rating for 4 unanswered complaints. P.S. This leads me to another what if. What if a contractor asks for full payment up front? Walk away. In Maryland, it's illegal for me or any other contractor to ask for more than 1/3 up front. Always check the status of the company's Maryland home improvement license. Okay, you've done some research, you've been enlightened, it's time to talk about expectations. Even a really great contractor can't read your mind. Be very clear about what you want. Even if you decide to use a particular manufacturer's products, make sure those details are spelled out in your contract, and capture warranty and service agreements as well. Changes happen, and when they do, put them in writing. Ask if they'll impact the schedule, and get that in writing too. And don't make the final payment until the job is complete. That's all for now, but you can reach me at tarheelconstructiongroup.com. Thanks for listening.